What's going on, guys? It's Ray Taylor here with NorfStar Solar. Right now, we're in beautiful North Las Vegas at DJ Rafiki's house. He is our newest install. We're going to go congratulate him with a bottle of champagne and hear about his wonderful and magnificent experience with his new solar panels. Come on, guys, let's go.
Camera recording.
DJ Rafiki! Hey, good to see you, man.
Good to see you,
We're here
baby.
to congratulate you on the
Hey,
solar panels,
my
man.
guy, I appreciate
Let's
that.
have a toast, man.
Let's get it. Let's
Come on
go.
in. So hey guys, we're sitting here with DJ Raphiki. DJ Raphiki is one of our newest installs here in northern beautiful Las Vegas. How are you tonight, sir?
Oh man, I'm blessed. How about yourself, bro?
I'm doing good, man. Thanks for having us, and thank you for agreeing to sit down and talk with us about your experience with solar. We
Yes,
really
sir.
appreciate that.
Man, I appreciate y'all.
Most certainly. So listen, how long have you lived in Vegas?
Oh man, so I've been out here in Las Vegas since 2006.
2006. Okay. You moved here from where?
Moved here from Los Angeles.
Oh, that's what's up, man. I'm from Minneapolis, and so I moved from Minneapolis to Los Angeles, then to Vegas. What made you come to Vegas?
I was actually in the military, honestly. So went to boot camp, training, and then I ended up getting stationed here. You know, I was a 19-year-old, so
Okay.
been here ever since.
Been here ever since. Well, we salute you, brother, and thank you for your service.
No, man, I appreciate that.
Most certainly. So how long have you lived at your current address?
So it's been a little bit over 2 years now.
Okay. Have you had solar the entire time?
I have not.
Okay. So what made you, go the solar route? Was it you had a, super high electricity bill, or you wanted to, increase your property value, or what was it?
A little bit of multiple things, like lower the bill, increase the property value, kind of save the earth a little bit, so, it just seemed like it was the right time to do it when I did it.
Got you, a combination of things.
Yes, sir.
Has your electricity, expenses, monthly, like decreased since you had solar?
Decreased, man. So it has drastically dropped. So last month, my electricity bill was a little bit over $9, bro.
$9?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
You want me to get the bill to show you?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll be right back. Hold on.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh wow, bro! It really is $9.
Yes, sir.
That is evident and proof that it's actually working and it's actually doing what people are saying that it does.
Yes, sir.
What was your bill before you had solar?
Oh man, so it ranged anywhere from like 200 up to like maybe as high as like 500 sometimes in the summer months.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a huge difference.
Dramatic.
Talk about savings.
For real.
Wow. So do you leave your AC on all day still too? Can you do that?
Oh man, so anybody who's ever come over my house, they know the AC stays on all summer. So it's set to 75 as soon as it gets over 90 degrees outside, and it doesn't get turned off until like the end of October. So it stays on constantly running the whole day.
Wow.
Yeah, on top of that, like I'm a DJ, so I got my studio equipment set up. So, that stuff's running pretty much all day. I'm kind of known as the Madden expert around here. So, so I'll be gaming and stuff. So got that. And then I recently just got a pool put in the backyard for my daughter as well too. So, with all that stuff going on, like that $9 bill was while all that stuff is basically being ran. So yeah.
Game, you got the pool, DJ equipment, and the AC, and you're still only seeing a $9 bill.
$9, yes, sir.
I remember earlier we were talking before we set up. You were telling me that you had an appraiser come out because you were thinking about selling.
Yeah. So, I kind of just wanted to just dabble, just kind of see like, what I could get for it if I did decide. But yeah, they did the appraisal. I think the value had went up from the last time I had appraised it probably like 6 months prior. Anywhere from like 5 to like 15,000. I don't remember like the exact numbers, but it was definitely an increase for sure, just with the solar being the only difference.
Yeah, it's bad. It's more equity in your home. It's more money you can make.
Facts, yes sir.
Off your home and the system.
Oh yeah.
Wow, brother. And so the tax credit, have you seen any benefits of that, or have you went and tried to pull the tax credit out, or?
Not officially yet, so I won't be, I think, because I haven't had it for a full-on year yet. So I think when I do my taxes this year, because I do my own taxes, I do know that there's always a question asking if you had any solar or renewable energy upgrades to your house and stuff like that. So I'm definitely excited to be able to take advantage of that this year.
Oh, most certainly. Well, best wishes with that. We hope you are able to maximize that and get the full amount.
Oh yeah, that money's already spent, so I'm excited for that.
But it sounds like you've had a magnificent experience thus far.
Amazing experience.
I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything else you want to add? Those are all my questions I have. Is there anything else you may want to add?
Yes, NorfStar Solar, get you some.
Hey, that's good. Got the champagne, guys, but it's okay. Yeah, this is how we do at NorfStar Solar, man. We like to celebrate our customers. We like to show them that, hey, we're one big happy family, and your success is our success. Cheers to you, brother.
Yes, sir. Cheers to you.
NorfStar Solar.
Get you some.
Thanks for joining NorfStar Solar on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to see more from us and turn on your notifications to be notified when we upload new videos. Take a look at one of our most stellar installs in the lavish Spanish Hills community in Las Vegas, Nevada in this video.